Hi lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making Ghanaian Etor. These are my 4 ripe plantains for the Etor, 3 eggs, I have half a slice of white onion, and as well I've got my red onion, I have 1 habanero pepper to go with. Again, I've got my palm oil, which is a very important ingredient for this food. I've got my peanut butter, and yes, I have got some salt here as well. Got my avocados, and of course the pot I will be cooking my plantain in, some water to be used for the cooking of the plantain. Remember to wash all your ingredients. Let's get this cooking. Okay, so now my plantain is ready to boil. I'm going to put my 3 eggs in and add my salt to taste. Okay guys, so as my plantain boils, I'm going to go ahead and grind my habanero pepper and my half onion. Now I'm going to check on my plantain to make sure that it's fully cooked. My plantain is ready and good to go. I'm going to remove with my fork, set it aside to cool down. Removed my plantain, I'm going to add some more water to my eggs to cook for some few more minutes. As my plantain cools down, I'm going to go ahead and fry my red onion. My plantain is cooked to a level I'm happy with, so I'm going to go ahead and mash it in my asanka or apotoyowa. Remember, you don't want to mash it to become too soft, as you'll be adding different things like your peanut butter as you go on, as well as your palm oil. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Now I'm going to add my palm oil and give it a very good mix together. Guys, my etor is ready now. I'm just going to go ahead and add my roasted peanuts, my eggs, and avocado. And I'm ready to serve. Remember, we only make etor on special occasions in Ghana. Guys, my etor is ready to serve. Remember to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.